Guys, this is Mobeen from DrBeen.com. The discussion today is about the risk factors for pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is a deadly disease. 98% of the patients who get pancreatic cancer, they die. And the risk factors are age greater than 50, black race, male, gender, cigarette smoking. Cigarette smoking has about 2 to 3 increases the pancreatic cancer risk by 2 to 3 times. And then there is familial pancreatic cancer risk, recurrent pancreatitis, and if close relative had pancreatic cancer, then these are all the risk factors. So in this, the most important modifiable, reversible risk factor is smoking. So make sure that patients that are above the age of 50, they do not smoke. Diabetes, obesity are also risk factors.